3 minus 2, which gives us 1. And here 3 square means 9. 9 divided by 1, which equals to 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one exponent here, and one division and one subtraction here. Okay, therefore first we have to do this exponent and this division, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this division or this exponent, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to this exponent. Okay, 3 square means which equals 9 divided by 3 minus 2. Here, one division and one subtraction. So, according to PEMDAS, division has higher priority than subtraction because division comes before subtraction. Therefore, we have to divide these numbers first. 9 divided by 3 is just 3 and minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer is 1.